Low oil pressure in your Cummins ISX? Vibrating or running rough? Noise under load? You may be in need of a crankshaft replacement in your ISX. Minimize downtime and negative impacts to your revenue. Restore your engine power. Install this crankshaft assembly for Cummins ISX from Highway and Heavy Parts. The crankshaft is essentially the backbone of your truck's engine. It keeps your engine moving and is vital to the overall health of your rig. At Highway and Heavy Parts, you'll get an ISX crankshaft assembly crafted with hard-wearing materials for strength and durability, ensuring your crankshaft can withstand the rigors of the road. Essential to your engine's overall performance, a properly functioning crankshaft transmits power to your oil pump, water pump, AC compressor, and alternator. Replacing a worn crankshaft can improve fuel mileage, smooth out your ride, and protect your investment under the hood. And don't forget to check out HHP's wide selection of diesel engine parts, keeping your truck out of the service bay and on the road with Highway and Heavy Parts. Backed by a 1-year warranty and industry-leading service from our ASE certified parts technicians. Connect with HHP for industry-leading technical knowledge, quality diesel parts, and fast shipping. Order now by calling 844-447-1453 or visit us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. From diagnosis through delivery, we will be there.